Roll up. Fuck with me. Hey YouTube, this is an unboxing video. I'm gonna do an unboxing on the G&G Combat Machine Gun MK18 Mod 1. I just got this package today, and I'm gonna do an unboxing for you guys. This package took me exactly a week. I've been waiting quite a while for this. Regular pocket knife, cheap, and let's get into it. Put this away. I'm recording still, right? Yeah, okay. This is my first unboxing video. It's from Airsoft GI. It was $190. Got a manual. Other one. Basically the basic stuff that comes with. Yeah. Side two. And this is what I was waiting for. Let me just put this on top of here. There's nothing else inside the box. Alright. Yeah. So I paid $190 for this. That's the original price of this gun. I got on Airsoft GI. Came with free shipping. Open this. It's upside down. Oh, that's not. You guys see it first. Hold on. Sorry, having trouble with this. This didn't come with a battery. I have to buy a new battery. Probably get a LiPo. Manual. I think this is a poster, I've heard. Box. Okay, see better. Okay. It came with 20 gram BBs, 1,000 of them, and this is by G&G Armament. Actually, I think this is the poster. Yeah. And other papers. Warranty. Batteries, which did not include. Kind of upset about. Quality control. I don't know if you guys can see that. And this is the final, what we've been waiting for. The G&G Combat Machine Gun. Oh, that's kind of hard open. MK18 Mod 1. Oh, he's actually really hard to flip up. This is polymer. Everything is polymer on this gun. Wow, this is really embarrassing. Can't even open it. It's like a lock on it. Oh, it is a lock. Okay. I didn't know that. Yeah, could have. This up, yeah. you can see on there, there's a lock on there, so it's kind of weird. I want you guys, I'm like really happy. I'm not expressing it. That was like a two-tone sight. Not bad. Comes with safe, semi, and auto. Try to move this in more, get a better view for you guys. This is the gearbox. That's the hop-up system inside. Crane stock. This is the AEG. Got the armament logo. Risers. And this, the cool thing about this, it has a, I forget what they call it, like a certain flash hider that screws in for the, I think, suppressors. Not really good at the names. Oh yeah, there's still more. My bad. It came with the hop-up adjuster. Missile package. So put this away for now. And it came with the 120 round mid cap. All right. So it was right. Little feeder right there. Has a nice feel. I've heard good reviews about this. See how it looks. Okay. It's actually jamming in there. Now, the thing that surprises me, it came with rail covers, tan rail covers. I might have to complain about that. Oh, okay. It's in the bottom of the box. Okay, so let's find it. So it came with an old, I forgot what they call it. If you guys know what this is, say it in the comments below. Speed loader, an old type of speed loader. There we go. Put it in there, jam it in there. Put that to the side. And the rail covers. These are plastic. Yeah, these are, well, they snap on well. Here, snap on. I might have to complain about that. Oh, okay. It's in the bottom of the box. Okay, so let's find it. So it came with an old, I forgot what they call it. If you guys know what this is, say it in the comments below. Speed loader, an old type of speed loader. There we go. Put it in there, jam it in there. Put that to the side. And the rail covers. These are plastic. Yeah, these are, well, they snap on well. Here, snap on. Yeah, look nice. Like I said, this is my first unboxing video. We are, I am Cosmic from Elite Warhounds Airsoft team. Our local field is Miami Airsoft. Sorry, this is my first video. Really wanted to do this video. There will be future unboxing videos. There will be more videos, but right now we are currently waiting for our filmer, aka Ninja, to get back from his camp. Alright guys, that's how it looks with the rail covers on. Actually looks a lot nicer. Good grip. It is a really nice gun. Looks nice. Alright guys, I am gonna either make another, oh wait, hold on. Heard about this. It's a little hassle. Can't even open it. Wow, okay. Yeah, but this is the butt cover. So I can get that open for you guys. Oh, this is actually, you can tell this is brand new. Let's try my best to get this open. Alright, that just came off. In the inside, get that up to you. That's how it looks like on the inside. Right in there. This is an AEG, like I said. I will be doing future unboxing videos. Our team will be posting more. I would do a shooting test on it and a review. Probably somewhere in the end of this video, or I'll probably make another video on the shooting on it. This is a real nice gun. So please comment, like, subscribe, and stay tuned for future unboxings.